Got a toilet and a little kitchen. Okay, look at that.
Yeah, I know, yeah. It's a good job you had it, innit? How do I know if it's recording? Is it the top one to record?
Oh wait, I've got a mirror. There you go.
Maybe he'll give a signal. Maybe he'll give a signal up ahead. At least it passed.
How many filters you putting on Steve on this one? 15?
A few for you.
15 on filters for the bike?
Yeah.
Put the slimming filter on for me.
14 scored in a day, I tell you now.
Slimming.
Slimming one.
We've only got one bike left to test, see?
There'll be
One bike left for the MOT.
Sam's will have a 4.3. I'm officially the heaviest fucker here.
I wonder if this bike's going to pass. I don't think it will. I think it's fucked. I think your bike, yeah, I think your bike's going to fail.
I bet you look shocked at that, didn't you?
It's the last one left to do.
No, I mean, I bet you hold it deep, isn't it? He's flat. What are you doing? Yeah, if you want to call looking bike, there's one in there up on the stand.
Is there?
Anyone else have a nervous poo this morning?
I had 3.
Yeah,
No, I had 2 in the
I had
night.
a nervous poo and a headache straight away. Then you're... I don't know if I can drink this. That's a cracking cup of that. What's that, a week old?
Get it down, you lad. There you go, Sam's trying to start his bike. I got him back, the kill switch is on. He's going to waste his battery now like I did. There you go. Why are you doing your hair? Why are you doing your hair? You got bad head.
Oh. Damn! Disgusting. Hey. It smells like sperm. Oh. It's my brother's. I bought from Morrison's.
That's it.
Right? They're really cheap.
That looks beautiful, mate.
Because they're like all kind of chip shop ones, yeah. Irish recipe frozen ones, 20 in a pack from Morrison's, yeah.
Get it in, last.
Them in the air fryer.
Never stop on the Convo. We got a new project. Your friends like Colombo. You be the judge like Ronvo. Never stop on the Convo. We got a new project. Your friends like Colombo. You be the judge like Ronvo. Slow water hard like a rhino. Rhino. Never go slow water hard like a rhino. Rhino. We got a new project. Your friends like Colombo. You be the judge like Ronvo. Never stop on the Convo. We got a new project. Your friends like Colombo. You be the judge like Ronvo. Never go slow, work hard like a rhino. Rhino. Never go slow, work hard like a rhino. Never go slow, work hard like a rhino.
What's
I
up?
need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 on a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can't play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me. Then I double up again, none of their knows, none of them cold. They just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the
Fucking hell, how loud is that, Eric?
Turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade in the sheath, a shank in the Marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth and still they would lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.